What if 12 gadgets could save 10 times time, replace 5 devices, and still cost less than one premium smartphone? Every year, over 80% of new tech never reaches mainstream stores, and these belong to that hidden side. Some of these are so powerful and clever, they genuinely feel illegal to own. Meet a gadget made for people who cannot sit still. This is a gesture-based wireless controller that works as a mouse and presentation remote, but also feels like a proper fidget toy. Wave it to move the cursor. Click slides from across the room. Scroll without touching a phone. During meetings, it looks professional. Off work hours, all the wheels and buttons still spin and click, keeping hands busy. No loud pen clicking, no tapping desks. Just controlled movement with real function. Is this productivity, or just a really smart excuse to fidget? Maybe both. Recording with the back camera usually means guessing if everything is in frame. This gadget fixes that instantly. It is a wireless flip monitor that magnetically snaps to the phone and mirrors the camera screen. Now the shot is visible while recording. It can even detach and work from far away, letting framing be checked while the phone stays on a tripod. This feels like stealing a feature from expensive cameras and shrinking it down for phones. For anyone making videos alone, this solves a problem that should have been fixed years ago. Why hasn't this always existed? Mixing audio usually means boring sliders, tiny knobs, and fixed layouts. This gadget throws all that out. This is a modular audio control system where every control is a separate magnetic block. Volume sliders, knobs, buttons, and even touch screens snap together like high-tech building blocks. Need a different layout for streaming today and music editing tomorrow? Just rearrange the blocks. No tools, no reboot, everything moves instantly. There is even a tiny screen that can run old DOS games while handling audio controls. Yes, classic games running on an audio mixer. It also generates royalty-free music in real time, which is perfect for creators who want background tracks without copyright stress. Would a traditional audio mixer ever do this? Probably not. This one looks harmless, almost like a toy. But inside is a serious tech multi-tool. It can test Wi-Fi security, control smart home devices, run custom code, and connect with voice-based AI systems. The full-color screen makes it easy to use, not intimidating like old hacking tools. It can even talk to robots and smart devices using voice commands. That's a lot of power for something that fits in a pocket. The scary part is how much control it gives over nearby tech. Useful for learning, testing, and experimenting, but clearly not something to mess around with carelessly. Ever wondered how much tech power can fit in one hand? Most power banks stop at USB ports. This one does not. It comes with a real AC wall outlet, meaning laptops, chargers, and camera gear can plug in directly. The battery is massive, but the smartest part is the swappable battery system. When it runs out, slide the battery off and replace it with a charged one. No waiting. No hunting for sockets. It feels less like a power bank and more like portable wall power. Perfect for travel, outdoor work, or long shoots. Who decided power banks should be this powerful? Storage expansion is one thing. This gadget goes further. It is a high-speed magnetic SSD that snaps onto a phone and also works as a full USB hub. HDMI output, SD card readers, charging ports, and ultra-fast data transfer all in one slim device. Suddenly, a phone connects to displays, cameras, and external drives like a desktop computer. For mobile creators, this feels illegal. A phone should not be this capable, yet here it is acting like a pocket workstation. Camera movement usually needs rails, sliders, or an extra person, and that quickly becomes expensive and messy. Trexo Wheels Go changes that by working as a voice-controlled robotic camera dolly that moves on its own. Simple voice commands like slide left, slide right, or rotate make the camera move smoothly without touching anything. The built-in AI face tracking keeps the subject perfectly centered, even while walking or changing position. This makes it extremely useful for solo creators, product shots, and talking videos where constant framing is important. It can also perform automatic circular and linear movements, which helps in getting clean B-roll without manual effort. Despite all this, the entire device is compact and lightweight, small enough to fit inside a backpack. No large setup, no technical learning curve, and no extra hands required. For creators working alone, this feels like having a personal camera operator that never gets tired. Flashlights are often boring. These are not. These are smart design flashlights with rotating heads, magnetic bases, and serious brightness. One model is small and perfect for tight spaces. Another pushes powerful light for large areas. Both stick to metal surfaces for hands-free use and include RGB modes for creative lighting or visibility. Simple idea, smart execution. Once used, regular flashlights feel outdated. Why settle for basic when this exists? Most portable projectors feel like toys. This one does not. It is a full-scale portable cinema system with massive brightness and surround sound built in. It rolls in like a flight case and projects huge 4K visuals while staying quiet thanks to liquid cooling. No external speakers needed. Just power it on and a theater appears. This is not made for casual use. It is made for people who want to bring a movie theater anywhere. Backyard, events, parties, suddenly possible. Is this still portable? Most trackers rely on apps and hope someone figures out how to return lost items. This one adds something simple and smart, an e-ink display. Contact details or a custom image appear directly on the tracker. Anyone who finds the item immediately knows who to call. No app needed. Sometimes the smartest tech ideas are the simplest ones. Why didn't all trackers do this from the start? Electric bikes are expensive and limited. This gadget changes that. It is a clip-on electric motor kit that turns a regular bicycle into an e-bike in minutes. It mounts like old bike generators but delivers serious power and long range. No permanent changes, no bulky build. Just add power when needed. This keeps favorite bikes usable while adding electric assist. Ever thought a normal cycle could become electric this easily? Old typewriters had charm. Modern keyboards have features. This gadget mixes both. It is a retro-style mechanical keyboard with modern connectivity, multiple device pairing, RGB lighting, and a built-in stand for tablets or phones. The physical lever controls brightness or volume, making every adjustment feel satisfying. Typing suddenly feels fun again. Old school look, new school tech. Proof that keyboards do not need to be boring slabs. Most of these gadgets will never appear in normal stores. They are too clever, too specific, and sometimes too bold. But that is exactly what makes them exciting. Which one feels the most illegal so far? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.